I'm going to start off by applying the illuminating elixir. This one retails for $14 and it is called the Electric Mood X TIANA, and I actually really like it. You can use it alone or underneath or even mixed with your foundation. I did do my foundation and concealer off camera. I don't have anything new with e.l.f, but I do want to try one more time the e.l.f putty bronzers. These are brand new and the first impression was not very good, but I have been using them for the past week and I actually really like them. I have two shades, Honey Dip and Golden Days. Golden Days is a shade that just really complements my skin tone the best. So I'm going to go in and take a little bit on my brush. This is also an e.l.f. angled buffing brush. And this one is really good for getting right into the temples or the cheekbones and really buffing the product out. As you can see, I feel like they are very subtle, but I don't mind that because you can build it up just like that. Push in the products. These bronzers are really nice. I still don't think that they dry to a matte formula, though they claim they do. I feel like they stay pretty glowy on the skin, but if you don't have oily skin like me, then I think these would look just really nice on, like, layered on without any additional product. Prep the lids off camera using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Peach. It's really, really light on my skin tone, so it works perfect as a base. So let's start, shall we? I'm actually going to start with a small brush, and I am going to go in with the shade Browning Brunny, which is the darkest shade in the palette. And I'm going to pack that into the crease first. First impressions, there's little to no fallout. There is quite a bit of pickup all over the palette. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. So yeah, not a big deal to me. Now I'm going to go into a clean brush and I am going to be taking the shade Braided Tresses, which is a little bit more brown, but it has some red undertones. And I'm going to use that color to help me blend out the shade that we just laid down. Now that I have that blended out, I'm going to go in with a third clean brush. And now I'm going to take the shade Latte, which is a lighter brown. And this is going to be the final transition color to help us blend the shades that we just laid down. I know the blending doesn't look good, but just trust the process. And then I like to take a clean brush that is nice and fluffy, and I like to diffuse the edges. At this point, all you want to do is just go back with the same colors, emphasize them, blend them out, and just perfect the look a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work on this eye off camera. We'll be back with a crease, nice and cut, to apply our lid color. Okay, crease is nice and cut. Now I'm going to take the shade Pound Coin Piece Dior. This one, you guys, is such a gorgeous, such a gorgeous shade. Like, it looks orange, but it shifts to, like, it has like green. I don't know. It's pretty. You have to see it in person. I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to get that wet. The lids are still a little bit tacky from the concealer. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? It is so pretty. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this J Cat Beauty glitter shadow. I feel like it's going to adhere better because it is a little bit chunky. See how it adheres so much better? The glitter glue makes a big difference. Oh yeah. I actually want to take a little bit of Central Line, which is this one. I wonder what language they speak, because on the bottom of each name there's like a something like a different language, but I'm going to take a little bit of that because it is a little red, And I feel like it would just pair really nicely with what I have going on the lids. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, that like red orange color, I feel like changed this whole look. Let me do this eye off camera, and I think we can come back and try the mascara. I want to use one last shade, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit more of my glitter glue. I'm going to take the yellow shade, which is called Yellow Tie, and I'm going to pop that into the inner corner just for a little extra oomph. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Moving on, we are going to test out the new Pitch Black mascara. Listen, e.l.f. usually doesn't impress me with their mascaras. I have very small lashes and I wear falsies all the time, so for me lashes or mascara is not a big thing, but this one looks very promising. It does have an hourglass shape and it's not a silicone wand, which I don't like silicone wands. So let's see what this one does. I'm going to apply a generous coat on the top and bottom lashes. Oh, okay. Okay, I actually like this mascara so far. So I had to add a little bit of eyeliner because I felt like the look needed, especially with like thicker lashes like these. I use Heart of Man, which is the black one, and oh my goodness, you guys, the black was so intense, so dark. I am living for this palette. For the last part of the video, I'm going to take the TIANA Major lip liner. It's just a brown lip liner. It is pretty dark, so I'm going to line the lips and then like diffuse it a little bit. Okay, this lip liner is actually really pretty. It is really dark, but it blends out really nice. I don't have any lipstick from e.l.f. that I wanted to use, so I am just going to use the Milani, what is this called, Tease lipstick. I did do a full swatch party on the new Milani lipsticks, so I will have a card up here, but that is what the lips look like, and honestly, not mad at it. I'm going to top it off with the TIANA Major Electric Mood Lip Gloss. This one is called Affair. And it is a jumbo size wand, which is really nice. And it's like a silver, but it has tons of different undertones. So I'm going to go ahead and top it off. Okay. It is a little bit sticky. And that is the end of today's tutorial. What are my thoughts on the new e.l.f. Electric Mood X TIANA? Oh my gosh, TIANA. It's not TIANA. Is that what I was saying? TIANA? TIANA. The e.l.f. X TIANA Major Electric Mood Collection. Again, there is different collections. This is the one that I just personally wanted to get. Oh my goodness, this palette, you guys, is beautiful. The colors are really pigmented, as you can see. Like, I had no issues with blending. I had no issues with the colors like working together. The shiny ones are chef's kiss. Really enjoyed the palette. I feel like I can totally pass on the serum. My skin doesn't look any different. It just looks like my normal skin. I don't know that this did anything. I think I'm going to try it with the Maybelline, what is it called? The CC cream, the tinted moisturizer that they released, because that one has a more natural finish. So I am going to keep this one and just play with it some more. I absolutely loved the mascara. If you are a mascara fiend, if you just love collecting them or trying them out, I really like this one. It did really nice at like just volumizing the bottom lashes and making them look super long. I swear I feel like I choke in every single one of my videos. My throat is just really dried out and I ran out of water. But anyways, the lip gloss, I totally love it. Just not a fan of the stickiness, but I think it's fun to play around with and just maybe top it off with another lip gloss. really like the lip liner. It is a little bit dark, so I think if you are lighter complexion, you might not like this on you. It's just going to look like a really deep chocolate brown eyeliner, but you can, or lip liner, you can use it as an eyeliner. So that is it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you are going to pick up anything from this collection or from the other collections, what is it going to be? I personally just really recommend the eyeshadow palette. I think it's great and at an affordable price. e.l.f. just, you guys did awesome. I hope you guys have an amazing day, night, or morning, wherever you are. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video.